In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a font family from Google Fonts. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Fonts website. You can do this by typing fonts.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface filled with various font options. This is where you will find a wide array of font families to choose from. Take a moment to explore the layout, as the Google Fonts site is designed to help you quickly find the styles you need for your projects. This is an essential step because it sets the stage for everything you will do next. Next, in the search bar at the top of the page, type the name of the font family you want to download. You'll notice suggestions pop up as you type, which can help you find the exact font you're looking for more easily. If you're unsure of the font name, you can browse through categories like serif, sans serif, or display. Finding the right font is crucial because it impacts the overall aesthetic and readability of your design. Once you find the desired font, click on its name to proceed. This action ensures you are taken directly to the font family's dedicated page. Now, after clicking on the font family, you will be directed to a new page showcasing the font. Here you will see various styles and weights available for that font family. This is an important moment, as you can preview how each style looks in real time. You can adjust the sample text to see how your specific text will appear. This preview is important because it allows you to make an informed decision about which styles you want to download. At this point, you should see a button labeled Get Font on the right side of the screen. Click on this button. From there, a panel will open on the right side of the page displaying options for downloading the font. You will have the choice to either download all styles or just the ones you need. If you want the entire font family, click on the option that says Download All or Download Family. This step is significant because it ensures you have access to every weight and style, which can be very useful for creating diverse typography in your projects. After you click, a zip file containing the font files will be prepared for download. Next up, you will need to save the zip file to your computer. A dialog box will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose a location that is easy to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated fonts folder. This organization is key as it makes it simpler to find your fonts later when you need them. Once you have selected the location, click the Save button. This action will start the download process, and you will see the file begin to download in your browser. After that, once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the zip file. You will need to extract the files from the zip folder to access the font files. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All or Unzip. This step is essential because it allows you to access the individual font files needed for installation. You will see a new folder pop up containing the font files. Now that you have extracted the files, you can easily install the fonts on your computer. Simply select the font files, right-click, and choose Install. This will add the fonts to your system's font library, making them available for use in various applications. In conclusion, you have successfully downloaded a font family from Google Fonts. By following these steps, you can enhance your design projects with unique typography. Remember to revisit Google Fonts for more options whenever you need fresh styles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your new fonts.